A while back, I made a video on how to replace the lens on a Google Pixel 5. Uh, However, it turns out that, as most people have done that found out, the lenses are made of plastic. The replacement lenses are made out of plastic, and it is impossible to find a glass lens to replace the original one. Now, the problem is that it gets all scratched immediately. And also, there's a weird haze on the camera. So, I had an idea to fix this. I don't know if it's going to work, but I will try it anyway. I bought a glass, this is actually glass lens protector from this brand, Spigen, because they say it does not have glue where the cameras actually are, so it's supposed to not get the glare. Now the problem with this is that there's a raised surface over here. You see the flash is raised, so I cannot just remove the plastic lens and apply that one. So I will have to remove the plastic around the where the cameras are, but still keep the rest of it so it has something to adhere to. Yeah, let's see how it goes. How am I gonna do this? I see, it's totally plastic. I should have bought another one of these plastic replacements. Then I could have used a new one instead of having to reuse this one. Okay. There's dirt on the cameras. Yeah, how do I remove the plastic from there now? Should I... I'm not sure how to do this. Okay, I have an idea. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but what I did was I glued it, or I put it on a piece of wood. It's glue, it's holding it in place, and I'm gonna try and drill out the places where the camera would be. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's see what happens. Okay, so now I will use the the knife to deburr the edges, and it just might work. You see, it was fucked to begin with. You couldn't take pictures with it any longer, so I don't know. Let me see. Just deburr the edge. Oh, I just realized I shouldn't have the exposed cameras under the place where I'm making debris. So don't do that mistake, because I already did. Okay, the inside looks like it's deburred. Looks fine. That looks fine too. There is a little bit of excess plastic on each one, but I don't think it's going to matter. At least I hope it won't. So I believe the same glue will suffice. Let me change the angle here. Okay, looks good. Let's get this guy back in. Let me see if the cameras are affected by the... I need to turn on the phone for this one. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I don't seem to see anything wrong with this image. I think it's good. Yep, seems to work fine. Okay, so now for the second part of this is to protect the cameras with this thing. Now they tell you to clean it very well and everything. That only matters if you're gonna have surface behind. But nevertheless, why not do it properly? Try that. Okay, seems good. Whoa, this is a hard plastic. That is stuck in there. So let me see how. This is good. Could be better. Use this thing. I don't think it's coming off. Oh, a little bit of glass just came off. Yeah, I'm being an idiot. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now the camera only has glass to see through. So let's see if it works. Yeah, seems pretty damn good. This was, it used to fringe with the light, and now it doesn't. So there you go. This is a possible solution for a stupid problem: the lack of replacement lenses. So if you want to do this right for the first time, you need to get the plastic. If you broke your lens, you need to get the plastic replacement lens. That's the only one that you can find. And then you apply that, and immediately afterwards you apply one of these. The problem is we actually bought a lens protector, but it wasn't from this brand, and what it did was that it had glue everywhere. So whenever you use the flash, the picture would be all white because the flash would propagate through. Oh, let me test that actually, because they say it's the only one that okay, with the flash. That's perfect. Yeah, it's doing fine. Okay, there you go. A solution. I'm not endorsed by Spigen. Of course I'm not. But yeah, their shit seems to work. So, and it comes with a replacement one. So that's good. Well, hope this helps you. Cheers.